start my message with the word surprise.
Everybody stand up, come together. Now it's time to let the whole world know. Here we come, rough and ready to run. Till the battle is won, let's go. Stomp your feet, shake the stands.
Bilang presidente ng BADS reunion natin ngayon, 2025, na nagre-represent sa kinabibilangan kong section, ang 4 Plaridel as the host.
Clap your hands.
Pero sa pagpapatuloy ng aming madalang na usapan sa section namin, ay unti-unting nabuhay ang aming komunikasyon until we reach the point of excitement to give the whole batch a moment to remember.
Let 'em know that the city is gold and we're breaking the mold.
At dahil sa pinagsama-sama nating puwersa, ay heto tayo ngayon. Nagkakahuntahan, magkakaharap, magkakatabi, upang sariwain ng bahagya ang nakaraan nating panahon ng high school. At higit sa lahat, ay pagtuunan ng pansin ang kaganapan sa pangkasalukuyan nating mga buhay. Not to judge or be judged sa mga itsura natin,
This is your chance. Bring the drum. Get up and dance. This is your moment. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
This moment is a time wherein you can recall everything that you have done when you were in the high school, di ba? No, natatandaan ninyo kung anong kabalbalan yung ginawa nyo, sino yung teacher na laging binabawal kayo, pinagagalitan, merong teacher na gustong-gusto ninyo kasi kahit na kayo nangongopya, sige pa rin, no?
Stand up, come together. Make it loud.
This time, today, make yourself happy. No? Pasahin niyo yung sarili ninyo kasi hindi na babalik itong panahon na ito para kayo ay muling magkasama-sama bilang isang batch 87.
Clap your hands. Let's go. I can hardly wait for it. Pushing for a long time. Dreaming all my life for it. Walking on a thin line. Let's go. I still believe I'll get through the long night. I'm digging
Sariwain nyo ang inyong mga naging buhay no 83 hanggang 87, 1983 hanggang 87, na nandoon kayo, nabisahay kayo ng ating mataas na paaralan ng San Miguel.
go. The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is gold. The future is golden. Step into the moment. Yeah, I'm facing that mystery. It's my time to own it. Can I make history? Yeah. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? Alright. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is gold. Making magic every day that I got. Alright. Automatic all the way to the top. Alright. The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is gold. The future is golden. Let's go. Hey oh, na 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 na. Hey oh, let's go. Hey oh, na 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 na. I still believe The future
tayo sa
is
DI, nakakapadyak ang paa natin. Mga healthy pa tayo, samantalahin natin yon.
golden. The future is gold. The future is gold. Making magic every day that I got alright. Automatic.
Let's all raise our glasses for friendship, memories, and the enduring spirit of Batch 87. Cheers to everyone!
The future is golden. The future is gold. The future is golden. The future is